Welcome back, guys. My name's Leland, bringing you another TA of the GRT. We're also going to be talking about Numeraire, Nucipher, and Orchid as well. And if that sounds good to you, hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you are new, and let's get started. But before we get started, are you tired of losing on your trades? Are you tired of not knowing when to buy the bottom or when to sell the top? Or you start seeing a chart that start moving to the upside and you start buying in and just really don't know where to buy crypto? Do you want to start buying at the bottom and then only see green on your portfolio from there on out? Go buy this book. With reading this book, watching my videos, and coming to the live streams, you are going to start learning how to do TA. You're going to learn about all my favorite patterns, indicators, and charts. This book is going to help you with your trades today. And for the price of lunch, you can do that. Okay, let's get started. Let's check it out. A lot of people are saying, hey, GRT's just kind of moving to the side right now, not really doing a whole lot. That's okay with me, guys. You can see that we're staying above the 21 EMA right here. You can also see that we're holding above that 236 and this trend line right there. Bullish, massively bullish, as we try to come over here and attempt to break out of the $1.87 area. We do have a breakout target going all the way up to 3.14, $3.14. That is what I'm going to be expecting. You can see that we've definitely had a shift in our trend here, and we are starting to move to the upside. We've had a bit of a pop back here, and if we measure that pop, let's see, we go from the bottom and we go to the top over here. That was about a 40% move. So doing a little consolidation before we start moving up. This is really bullish. One thing, excuse me. One thing that I never showed you guys that I thought I did. I didn't do it in my videos, but I did it in the live streams. But I wanted to show you this bullish hammer that was printed a couple of weeks ago. Excuse me. This bullish hammer right here is a huge signal reversal. That tells you that we're ending a trend and we're going to be starting to move to the upside. You can already see that that's playing out. We have this massive move up with this bullish hammer moving to the side, and you can see we're sitting above currently right now. So it's going to take some time. Guys, you have to be patient. These things aren't going to be moving up. I know you're looking at things like Nucipher and you're like, what the heck? I'm sorry, not Nucipher. You're looking at Numeraire and you're like, all these other coins are pumping and I'm just sitting over here in GRT. All of these coins are going to have their party, okay? Numeraire, yeah, just had its party, and, it could possibly keep moving up. We're going to go take a look at that in a second, but don't feel like you're missing out and try to switch your coins over to something else thinking that you're going to make more money. Trust me, this is not financial advice, but you really just want to stay within the coins that you are. Wait for your coin. It's going to be your turn at some point, and you don't want to miss out. You don't want to make a trade somewhere else, and then you just kind of move sideways, and then the coin you just got out of is just going to start shooting up. So trust me, I've done this a bunch of times in the past myself. We're thinking I can go jump in another coin, but anyways, I'm rambling. So the next area, like I said, so not a whole lot that I can really do for you guys on GRT today. You guys kind of already know that we need to get above that $1.87 area. We are checking out what we did over here, though. We still have about, until the end of this day, which is going to be 6 o'clock Mountain Standard Time before we close this green bar over here. But you can see the green bar is actually shifting from light green to dark green, which means that we're probably going to be moving up here in the future. We're not even overbought right now, guys. It's just going to take some time. We're looking really good right now. I don't have any doubts about GRT. Like I said, we had a 40% move up to the upside, moving to the downside, or we're moving sideways right now. We hit the 382, which is $1.87 before we start moving higher. But nevertheless, we have a breakout target of $3. Okay, let's go take a look at Orchid right now. Orchid having a little bit of an upside right now, which this is really important because Orchid is sitting at 86 cents right now, and it's at the highest candle close that it's had pretty much ever. And if we can get this daily candle close to close above, let's see, right about 83 cents, that'll be the highest candle close that we've ever had on Orchid. Now, I know we did wake up here and come up to 91 cents, but it's really the bodies that we're really going to be concerned with. But not only that, guys, but look where we're at right now. You can see we were back here. We got above the 786. We dropped below the 618. We came back up. We turned to 618 into support. Once we did that, we started going through and we blasted through the 786, which you guys know after this is the most important part right here. You need to hold 83 cents as support. If you can hold it as support, even if you come over here and bounce off it a couple of times, guys, massively bullish. We're going to be breaking $1. We're going to be going to $1.20, $1.30 really soon after that, which is going to be the golden mean ratio and the 1414 up here on our Fibonacci retracement. And the reason why I say that is because if we go ahead and take a look at our indicators, you can see we have that negative momentum moving to the upside, and we just started printing green on our histogram. So this will be the second day that we're printing green on the histogram. We got the breakouts of this triangle formation that we were in. I know it's kind of small right now. Let me just show you that a little bit better. But we did have a triangle formation, and I told you guys, when you have a breakout to the downside, according to Balkowski, when you have a breakdown in a formation and it goes back up into the formation, we have an even stronger breakout. And you can see that that's a pretty strong breakout, considering we never really even had a back test. Let's go to the that's a 6 hour. Let's go to the 4 hour. Oh, we did have the back test. Okay, beautiful. So we broke out, we came for the back test, and then we actually didn't even touch the what was once resistance turning into support. We went down to the support down here, which totally fine, guys. Doesn't really matter. Wherever we catch a support, we start moving to the upside. So next targets I'm going to be looking for Orchid is going to be going past $1. I believe we can break that previous all-time high that we had back here in August of 2020. Guys, this is really strong. This is really bullish. Orchid will be going past $1 to $1.20 to $1.30. And then once we hit those targets, we're going to be talking about $1.50. And once we break $1.50, guys, there's really no resistance up until the 2618, which is going to be $2.30. So that's what I'm looking for. We're massively bullish. If you guys have been following me this channel for a while, we've been talking about Orchid since we were down here at the 40-cent range. And I was telling you guys, look, this chart looks very beautiful. This is probably where you guys want to buy in. I never tell you guys or give you advice on things, but I really kind of insinuate, like, look, I'm showing you the data. This is looking really bullish, and this is where we're going to be going. So if you're in the gains right now, if you're making money, good for you guys. Thanks for coming back to the channel. If you're liking this content, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's move on over to New Cipher. Real quick on New Cipher. So we're still waiting to break out of this broadening wedge. You can see that we do have, and let me make this a little bit bigger because we have so much more room on this screen. There we go. You can see that we have this broadening wedge with these two green lines over here, our resistance and our supports. I believe once we can break out of that supply line over here, we can start attempting to go up to hit the 68-cent area. But by doing that, that will give us a breakout target of about $88. 88 cents. But within this is what we have, an inverse head and shoulders. So New Cipher is looking pretty good right now, especially with this pattern that's forming. You can see that we have our left shoulder, we have our head, and we have the right shoulder right here, with the neckline being at 68 cents. I believe once we break 68 cents and we come back and get that retest of that current neckline, that's going to be back here. I really do think the breakout target's going to be at 88 cents. That's a lot of gains away from where we are right now. Nothing is confirmed, but that's 36% away, and that's just to the breakout target, guys. We're not just going to stop there. I believe we're going to be going up past $1 on New Cipher if that does play out. But there's a lot of things that we need to be looking at. I have been looking a little bit bearish about, or have been looking a little bit bearish about New Cipher, but my tone is starting to shift about it, and I think that can play out. I really do think that can play out, especially because we did have all this negative momentum moving on our histogram. Our stochastic on the 12 and 26 day moving averages are starting to move, or the oscillators, are starting to move to the upside, and we're not even overbought. So New Cipher looking pretty promising. These are probably the times that, it's really hard to say, but if this is something that's a little bit more risky, but if it plays out, it's going to be so rewarding. It's going to be very rewarding because you're only sitting at 64 cents right now in New Cipher, showing an inverse head and shoulders, very bullish pattern. You're green on the histogram. You're not overbought. I really do think that we're going to get back above this purple trend line, if not play with it, even, just bouncing off of it, but moving to the upside. So we're going to have to wait. I think once we can break through this resistance right here, then the next resistance is going to be, and that first resistance is going to be around 65 cents. So we're really close right now. And this is typically on the third leg up when you're coming to, try to break the resistance in a broadening wedge pattern, is typically the area that you start seeing that resistance, and then you get broken above and it comes back for the retest. And so it's looking pretty good right now. I'm gonna start shifting my tone a little bit, like I said, about New Cipher, I really do think we can start moving to the upside. We're going to keep an eye on it. We're going to keep you updated. Now, a lot of people are probably going to be coming over here and going, Leland, what's going on with New Cipher? It's going crazy. Well, guys, you know, it's something that we've been talking about for quite some time. I told you guys the last video, which was Friday, I believe I made it on Friday, that we were going to be going into alt season, and you're going to start seeing these massive gains within alts as money moves out of Bitcoin and it starts going into these other coins. They're just going to start pumping, and it's going to be crazy. Like, I believe there was another coin that I saw today, STX or whatever it was. It was up over 100%. Where is that coin over here? Can I find it? Yeah, STX right here, up 100%. Can you guys see that right there? So these things can definitely happen with an alt season, especially when you have Bitcoin dominance that's just dropping. Currently, we're sitting at 57, and oh, look, we went down and we hit my resistance line perfectly. I haven't moved it. All these lines have been the same. We went down and we got that bounce perfectly right there, but it's possible I'm going to have to make some more support lines down here that we could drop even further. Now, that doesn't mean necessarily that the Bitcoin price is going to go down. And I know I've diverted from numeraire. We're going to be going back to numeraire. But I just want to show you why we're starting to see all of these coins pump, where Bitcoin's sitting under 1% today. Ethereum did have its breakout. I'm jumping all over the place. Get back to numeraire. We'll come look at Ethereum a little bit afterwards. Okay, back to numeraire. So I will stay on topic. I promise. my ADHD mind. So, yeah, guys, this is kind of what we were expecting. You know, we're on the 4 hour over here. We were really bullish about it. We were in between the 618 and 786. I remember telling you guys, look, we're in between here right now, and that's ultra bullish. That's looking really good. You can see that we broke through the 786 right here. We came back for the retest, and we just started taking off, and that is why you were starting to see these things really take off at this point. We have broken through all of the hard resistances, going all the way up to the 786. We came back for the retest at the 786. That's when you start seeing massive gains. That's when you start moving to the upside really quickly. Next resistance on numeraire is going to be 80 cents. That's going to be the golden mean ratio. I do expect for us to be coming down and retesting that previous all-time high that we have right here. That's going to be the 100% retracement. You can see that was the swing high down to the swing low on our Fibonacci retracement. So we are definitely starting to move up to the upside. Like I told you guys with numeraire, once we break 86 cents and we come and test it for support, expect to double. Expect to double after that, where I do believe we're going to be going up and we're going to be hitting that $1.40 range, currently sitting at 74 cents. So might not be, I mean, we're probably overbought right now just because yesterday we were up like crazy. Yeah, we're overbought right now. You can see our stochastics are way up here. It can continue pumping. It definitely can continue pumping. There's still a lot more room to the upside. No sign of it really slowing down right now. Like I said, I do think we're going to take a bit of consolidation and probably come back down to $68. Was I saying cents before? I'm known for that. I'm sorry. But we closed this daily candle right here up this high. This is probably, actually yesterday was the highest daily candle that we have ever closed on numeraire. This is massively bullish, guys. This thing is going to be going up to, like I said, $1.30, then $1.40, $1.50. We're going to be moving to the upside. I heard something. I don't know what that was. But anyways, over here on Ethereum, like I was saying on Bitcoin dominance, guys, it's alt season. I don't care who you talk to. This is just my TA. But what I told you guys, when we break 60.94% on the Bitcoin dominance, and we start dropping down to the 60 or the 56.91, that's when you're going to start seeing altcoins go. Now, we don't have to hold this. We actually do have support levels, and let me just see if I can draw one here live for you guys right now. Right down there to 53, and then we have another support level. We're going to be looking at right about there as well, 52%. And just like, you know, over here where Bitcoin came all the way down to 53%, that's very possible. Altcoins pumped like crazy. People became millionaires overnight just for holding a lot of these altcoins. So I don't know how to stress to you guys even more that it's alt season. It is alt season. If you're not positioned in altcoins, what are you doing? You have to get in. This is why you're watching this channel. These are the coins that you really want to get in on. A lot of people bored with GRT right now, but I'm telling you, guys, you want cheap GRT? This is about as cheap as you're ever going to get it right now, okay? We have a breakout target to pi. That's where we're going. I'm just telling you, if you guys are looking for coins, you want to get in on something that's going to be pumping, don't go buy things like Orchid right now. Don't go buy Numeraire. It's already gone up. We've been talking about this ever since it was at 33 cents. I remember I got one of my moderators into Numeraire at 33 cents, and he's made his gains and he's very happy. Yeah, guys, this is just where we're going. You have to be in altcoins. If you're not in altcoins right now, I feel really bad for you. Okay, let's go look at Ethereum. Ethereum I don't think Ethereum's an altcoin. Ethereum is Ethereum, but nonetheless, it is a part of the altcoin family by definition. So we're going to start seeing Ethereum start pumping as well. You can see Ethereum just have its breakout out of this really tiny formation that we had. We had a run up to the upside, having the breakout, having resistance at $2,291, or I'm sorry, $2,239, but with the ultimate goal that we're going to be going up to $2,500, which is the 1618 on our Fibonacci retracement. Guys, this is going to happen. It is going to start moving to the upside. Do not sleep on Ethereum. I still think Ethereum is a very cheap coin right now. You really don't want to miss out. Okay, I'm rambling on. There's a lot of things that I've been talking about in this video. If you guys want a chat room, you guys want to go talk about crypto with a lot of people from this channel, go join the Telegram link down below. You can join a Discord link as well. We have a bunch of different sub channels that talk about every single different coin that we talk about on this channel. And if you would like another coin, let me know. We can add it to that channel too. If you guys are interested in buying the book, link is down below for Amazon. It's $12.95. If you want to learn how to do TA like me and you want to start making more money, go buy that book. My name is Leland, and remember, hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. I threw you for a loop there, didn't I? And remember, it's all about the TA. I'll catch you guys in the next one.